Hey guys, got a quick one for you today. Just asking a favor. So I've been supporting the MyListing community, pushing the theme forward for about 7 years now. What you're looking at on my screen is a passion project to give back to WordPress, and it is built with MyListing. So if you want to check it out, influencewp.com. It has been bringing everyone in WordPress, which therefore includes the MyListing Club community, big time deals that you are not seeing anywhere else. It's unlocking deals that vendors have not been providing in the past. It's also providing free giveaways if you guys want to enter those. Okay. So my favor here is you are on YouTube right now. You are watching the My Listing Club channel. All right. We have, looking at my other screen, 1,346 subscribers to this channel. My favor, what I'm asking is to take literally 1 second. Like I said, you are on YouTube already. After you watch this video, take a couple of seconds, go find the YouTube channel for Influence WP. You just got to do a search for Influence WP. Subscribe to that channel to help support the project. It does not cost you anything to do that. And it just takes a couple of seconds of your time. You're literally on YouTube right now. Again, we have 1,346 subscribers at the time of this recording. I'd like to see, a large chunk of that supporting the Influence WP channel. So that is what I'm asking. Just a favor, again, that costs you nothing and takes none of your time. All right. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.